Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to show you G minor open chord. Really fun chord to play, okay? Really fun chord to play, and it's great to add into if you're playing rhythm on acoustic. It's great to add in the mix with that, or if you're playing lead, you're playing some power chords, and you're strumming some other chords playing lead, throw this one into the mix. So it's the G minor open chord, and let me show you how it looks like and sounds like. And remember, a minor chord is made up of the first, third flat, and the fifth. So in this scenario, I'll be playing G, B flat, and D. So for the first note, I'm going to play the root there, the G, on the third fret of the sixth string, and I'll play that G. Then I'm going to place my index finger on the fifth string, first fret, and play that B flat. Then on the fourth string, that D, I'm going to play that open. Then I'm going to take my little finger on the third fret of strings 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to bar it over there. And on the third fret of the third string, I'm going to play that B flat. On the third fret of the second string, I'm going to play that D. And then on the third fret of the first string, I'll play that G. And then when I play it all together, this is what it looks like and sounds like. Hey, Mr. G, again, that's your G minor open chord. And don't forget to check out my other videos on open chords, alternative open chords. I got a lot of videos on these things. So, hey, keep on jamming.